So let's start from the basics. Let's first talk Google Business Profiles, which we always abbreviate GBP. It took me a long while to get away from thinking that as the pound, the British pound symbol GBP. But no, I don't know why they went from Google My Business to Google Business Profile. But if you do hear anybody or you see people talking about Google My Business or GMB, that's the former name of Google Business Profiles now, all right? Let's talk about a quick way to improve your visibility in Google using this. So how do people search locally? Well, customers search for local business solutions in many, many different ways, right? This is a lot out of whack here. They may just type for a dog trainer. They might type dog trainer near me. They might type dog trainer Tampa, which is what we call a city qualifier. They might type dog trainer Pasco County, which would be a county name. They might type dog trainer and their zip code. And of course, there's many, many other ways or variations of that same thing that people may use to search for something that they need. It's just a few items, but we see these pretty regularly when we're doing keyword research. There's a lot of near me stuff coming up, and we'll talk more about that as well. So what is a Google Business Profile then? Well, a Google Business Profile is a free tool from Google that allows businesses to manage their online presence across Google, including Google Search and Google Maps. That inquiry has got to go. By focusing on creating a stellar Google Business Profile, you can help your business stand out from the competition and attract more customers. Some key features about a Google Business Profile is they display your business's name, address, and phone number, your website, and your hours of operation. Very easy for people to find. It allows you to upload images of your business, of your products, of your staff, videos as well. That can just showcase your business, who you are, what you do. It allows customers to leave your business a review that you can respond to, and you should, and we'll talk more about that. It gives you the ability to share updates, offers, even events that you might be putting on or appearing at directly on your profile, plus a whole lot more.